How you doing?
Good. Good. How are you?
Good.
Like your hair?
Thank you.
Enjoying yourself? Oh, really?
And then you just do it.
My daughter. My daughter. I call her my daughter.
Oh.
So would you be willing to do from here all the way to the head?
What? You should take a picture of the inside of it.
He takes pictures of random things.
No, I didn't take a picture. I put my camera in the microwave.
What?
Jenny looks good.
At least he didn't turn it on.
She's working.
I think I'm gonna take this home today.
She's got long hair. She looks just beautiful. She
Who's it your mom's mom?
okay.
This little girl poking her.
Works at Dippy.
She has shoes on. And so do I.
I need more people. Geo.
There.
That's not a star.
That's a very nice star.
It's a V. You need like, you need Geo and you need like you and someone else to take the picture.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
What? Okay.
Still there.
It looks like the other kind of star.
There.
Now take the picture.
Oh, it's on video.